Sallu alal Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala sallam. My dear Islam brothers and viewers of Madani Channel, we wonder what action should we do in the month of Rabiul Awwal. And one of the unique actions is reciting Salat, Darood upon the best of mankind, the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala sallam. And in this month especially, my dear Islam brothers, we should try to recite peace and blessings, recite Salat upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in abundance, in a huge number. Try to spend the days and the nights of Rabiul Awwal in reciting peace and blessings upon the best of mankind, the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala wasallam in abundance. And this, insha'Allah, will be a purification for us. It is mentioned, the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam has said, recite Salat upon me abundantly. Undoubtedly, your reciting of Salat upon me is a means of purification for you. So my dear Islam brothers, in the month of Rabiul Awwal, we want to be purified. We want to purify ourselves and spend the days and nights of Rabiul Awwal in sending peace and blessings upon the best of mankind, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in abundance. Make this a month in which we send Salat, peace and blessings upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in great number, in huge quantity. Give this mindset to our children also to recite Salat upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the month of Rabiul Awwal in abundance. Sallu alal Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.